Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, Anthony here looking at the Aussie CAD. So we can see on the 4-hour chart now this is trending down. We have lower lows, lower highs, sake of market structure, bearish. I'm looking for an opportunity to sell. I'm going to go in with a short position back up in this level here. Stop loss above. Target will be something like, just grab Fibonacci. So we're trading down. We've got the fib retrace. I'm looking for a pullback up into the 61.8 fib zone. That's going to be my sell zone, and I'm going to set up a pending sell order. In fact, I might even just drop this down a little bit, given that there's a bit of momentum with this. So we'll just set up a sell order in here, and then I'll be also setting up a limit. They're both going to be limit orders, but this is going to be my sell zone, and that'll be 0.4. Now, if you want to get aggressive, I don't really want to sell down at this level. See this? So I'm looking for the pullback up into here. You could set up another limit just in here somewhere, but yeah, I like to get a discount, and look, if I miss out, if it doesn't retrace back up into these levels, I'm okay with that. But target's going to be target 1 in here, take 70% or 65. I should change that. And then target 2, just looking left. So we've got this little balance area through here. That'll be target 2. So the idea with this is to take most of the position off at target 1, and then in target 3, see at this this balance area high down in here, T3. These targets are really dynamic targets, but I mark these up because I know that the market is most likely going to react around these levels. T3, guys, if you haven't already, click the link below and join our Telegram group. Go for broke with that. And the idea with this would be to trail it. So once this is in the money, pull the stop loss down and trail it and stay in it while this trend here is intact. So we've got this downtrend. Now, if we get a break of market structure to the upside, then we can close our positions. So let's just see if this holds. This trend, this bearish trend, and see what we get out of it. So guys, that's my take on the Aussie CAD. Comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Smash the like, join, subscribe, do all of that. I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one.